Today we are doing a collaboration with Level 8. Level 8 is a luggage company that has sent us some suitcases to try out. We happen to be going on vacation again, and we were sent the 28-inch Check-in Adventure series and the 20-inch carry-on from Adventure. These luggages are hard shell, top loading with a wide handle. They have the 360-degree wheels. They also come with top loading versus the clamshell standard luggage. The TSA locks. They also have stands on both the side and the back for plenty of room for your things. The one nice thing about having this wide handle is it provides for you to be able to lay your clothes flat without having the standard handlebars in the middle. And if you pack a lot, you know exactly what I mean. This suitcase here, the 28-inch, since I have a problem with overpacking, I've put, just from a 5-day trip, I've probably packed about 2 weeks plus. That's your top loading here with straps that can even snap and provide for extra room. It comes with some side pockets that can seal at the top for extra storage. The deep pocket also still has plenty of room. There's even extra zippers here on the side, the beautiful craftsmanship with the logo and more zippers and more pockets for everything. And you can order these on Level 8's website using our promo code, which is PackGoRepeat10, and we'll have a link at the bottom for you to be able to check out. We also have a link to an Amazon store if you need to order it right away and get that stuff right away. The promo code does not work for that though. So if you need that 10% discount, definitely go straight to their website and order from there. Handles. You've got your side handles here, TSA lock, and you've got the top handle. Standard luggage. Nice hard shell, very durable, very sleek. It's also got the zipper for expansion, which even though I overpacked, didn't actually need to use it this time. If I needed that extra space, I can go ahead and expand. Highly recommend. It's a beautiful luggage. It's a nice bright color. The black and yellow helps to stand out. Carrying it through the terminal while we were at the cruise port, it was so convenient. It held up. It didn't feel like it was wiggling anywhere around. It's nice and sturdy. You can kind of turn it. I'm here rolling it on carpet without any kind of friction or anything. It glides smoothly and beautifully. So this luggage, absolutely gorgeous. I love yellow. So for me, the yellow stands out, the yellow and black. It's got a nice rugged but sheen look to it. The amount of storage that is in here, I've packed a lot of suitcases and this has been amazing for the storage. It's just a beautiful, nice, clean, durable suitcase. We did send this with the porters when we were checking in, and we got them and they're still in great condition because we were watching them toss suitcases everywhere, and these just They just look gorgeous. I knew exactly which ones were ours because of the color. I would absolutely go ahead and purchase this. We're going to be taking this with us on our trip to Spain coming up soon. It's been great. It's nice and easy to walk with. I don't feel like I'm fidgeting around trying to carry this anywhere. We were walking this on the street in the cement, and it was nice and sturdy. It's beautiful. I absolutely love it. Remember, guys, if you guys want to purchase this, it is available at the Level 8 website. This is the Adventure series. If you use our discount code PACKGOREPEAT10, they will give you a 10% discount. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe.